Morning everyone, welcome back to another video. Thank you for tuning in. So today we are going to make couscous with leftovers of salad that was yesterday's salad. So I'm gonna make 1 cup of couscous and add salad in there, so stay tuned. Here's our 1 cup couscous. I'm gonna cook it on a very low heat. We'll add salt. Pepper. Switch off the heat, cover the pan. Let it sit there for the next 10 to 15 minutes. So here's the leftovers of yesterday. I made salad yesterday, so these are the leftovers. There's coriander, there's kale, there's red onion, there's tomatoes, there's corn, pomegranate seeds, and also coriander, chickpeas as well. So it's more than enough. We just add. So I'm gonna bake pumpkin seeds. 2 full heads is enough. So here's the fluffy couscous. There it is. That's how it stands out. So we have to mix it in here. There we go, we have a couscous. And we have to add our baked nuts. It is baked. And sprinkle sesame seeds as well. There you go. I want to add more coriander. Gonna add more coriander. Okay, I'm done with this one. Almost there.